What if I told you that with just a few simple changes in your daily life, you could save up to 21% of your income? Now you might be thinking, oh, this is just another one of those get-rich-quick schemes. But trust me, this is different. Saving money seems like a distant dream. But did you know that according to statistics, the average American only saves 5% of their income? A recent study by Ramsey Solutions revealed that 64% of Americans have less than $1,000 in their bank account. This means that most people are just one unexpected expense away from financial disaster. In today's fast-paced world, we often find ourselves living paycheck to paycheck. Saving for retirement is essential to ensure that you have enough money to live comfortably when you stop working. The Japanese are big savers, and they start saving for retirement as early as possible. They also take advantage of government-sponsored retirement plans such as which offers tax benefits, and employer-sponsored retirement plans like pensions. Starting early and taking advantage of these plans can help you save a significant amount of money for your retirement. The Japanese take advantage of tax-saving opportunities such as tax loss harvesting and itemized deductions. But remember, the key to success is consistency. These small changes add up to big results over time. And don't forget my little secret. If you want to supercharge your savings, consider investing in assets like real estate or starting a side hustle. The possibilities are endless. The best part is that it's never too late to start. Even small changes can make a big difference in your financial future. So start today and watch your savings grow. By planning ahead and utilizing these strategies, you can reduce your tax liability and keep more of your hard-earned money. The good news is that there are proven ways to boost your savings without sacrificing your lifestyle. Investing is another great way to grow your wealth and secure your financial future. The Japanese are known for their long-term investment strategies, and they often invest in stable investments such as index funds and government bonds. The Japanese are known for their emergency funds, and they set aside a portion of their income every month to cover any unforeseen costs. By having an emergency fund, you can avoid going into debt when unexpected expenses arise, and you can rest easy, knowing that you're prepared for whatever life throws your way. Before investing, do your research, consider your risk tolerance and investment goals, and diversify your portfolio to reduce risk. Remember, investing involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. But with a sound investment strategy, you can set yourself up for financial success. And guess what? They're not even that hard to implement. It works by reinvesting your earnings to earn interest on your interest. The Japanese take advantage of compounding interest by investing in long-term financial products such as stocks and bonds. By harnessing the power of compounding interest, you can turn a small initial investment into a significant amount of money over time. They believe that if you want something bad enough, you're willing to wait for it and make sacrifices now to enjoy the benefits later. This mindset can help you save money by delaying purchases and saving for things you really want. For example, instead of buying a new car, the Japanese would rather save up and buy a car that they really want. Imagine being able to retire early, buy your dream home, or travel the world without worrying about money. The Japanese are known for their minimalist lifestyle, and they understand the importance of not spending more than you earn. By cutting back on unnecessary expenses and living simply, you can free up more of your income to save and invest. This means making conscious choices about your spending habits and being mindful of the things you buy. For example, the Japanese often choose to walk or cycle instead of driving, which saves them money on gas and maintenance. It's all possible if you master these 7 mindful Japanese saving habits. Trust me, this is not your typical self-help video. I'll teach you practical tips backed by science and share real-life examples so you can see how it works. Plus, I'll let you in on a little secret at the end that could change your financial future forever. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the secrets to saving money the Japanese way. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan of action to start seeing results immediately. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your financial situation. Let's dive in. Number 1. Embrace delayed gratification. The Japanese practice delayed gratification to achieve long-term goals. No, to live below your means. Living below your means is a key part of saving money. No. 3. Save for retirement early and often. No. 4. Invest wisely. No. 5. Use the power of compounding interest. Compounding interest is a powerful tool that can help you grow your wealth exponentially. Plan for unexpected expenses. Life is full of surprises, and it's important to be prepared for unexpected expenses. Number 7. Take advantage of tax-saving opportunities. Taxes are inevitable, but there are ways to minimize your tax burden legally. So there you have it. 7 mindful Japanese saving habits that can help you boost your savings and achieve your financial goals.